In today's lecture, we are going to dispatch this reset password action. I will come to reset password.jsx, and from update password, I will copy this entire values, copy, and inside this I will be pasting. Remove last letter, hit enter, use selector will be imported, use dispatch will be imported, and use navigate will be imported. I need success, I need loading, as well as I need error. So exact same state what we have passed inside update password, exact same thing we are going to access. Now when I have to dispatch this action, as soon as my form is submitted, I have to dispatch the action. Remove this log. Here I will be writing dispatch. Inside this I will be passing reset password from user slice. Now inside this I have to pass token, as well as I have to pass this complete data. And for token, let me scroll up. You can see we are accessing token and user data. So inside this, as an object, we will be passing token. For this, we will assign the value token. Next, we are having user data, copy, paste, and for this, we are going to assign this data. And for this token, both keys and values are same, so only once we are going to pass. But user data and data, both are different. So in this way, we are going to pass the data while dispatching this action. I will come to update password. Scroll down. I will copy this error, and inside this, I'm just going to paste. Remove last letter. Hit enter. Use effect will be imported. Toast will be imported, and finally, remove errors will be imported. First, let us check if we are able to handle errors or not. I will come here. I will open my email, and this was the email which I have sent 6 hours ago. Now I will click on this. I will give reset password. Okay, something. I'm just trying to reset the password, but as soon as I click on this, you can see successfully I'm getting this reset password token is invalid or it has been expired. And that exact same thing we have passed inside our user controller.js. Let me scroll up. You can see this exact same token we are going to get, because this token I think we have expired in 5 minutes or 30 minutes. So that is the reason we will have this result. Now again come here. From update password, I will copy this success one, copy, and inside this I will be pasting. Here I will pass the message password reset successful. Okay, remove last letter. This will be imported, and successfully, if the password is reset, then we are going to redirect to login page. So in that case, what user can do, once the password is reset, user can log in with new credentials. Now let us see if it is working or not. So here I will come to email, and this was the email which we have sent 21 minutes ago. Again, I will click on this. I'm just going to change the password. Now both password and confirm password are matching. I will click on reset password. I am having password reset successful, and I am redirected to login page. Now you can see this is my login page. Now I will log in with new password. So here I will be passing khanamteaching@gmail.com. I will just log in with old password, and let us see what result I will have. I will have invalid email or password. Now I'm just going to log in with new password. Now click on sign in. Successfully, user will be logged in. Click on account. We are able to display this complete user profile. We are having this edit profile. Below this, we are having change password. Successfully, user can perform all the operation related to profile as well as related to password. If you have completed till here, let me know in the comment section, or if you're having any doubts, then you can simply ask your questions, and together we can resolve all the issues.